Hello, Mr. Lizard. Videotape you. Oh, they run really fast. Where'd it go?
On the wall right there in front of you.
Oh man, you are fast.
Oh, there's two. There's one behind the regs there. I love how you're afraid of it.
I'm not afraid of it.
Look at his head sticking out right there.
But he's fast. Oh, there you are. You little creeper, you. Don't jump on me.
Oh, I didn't step on that again. I forgot. Hope he jumps on you.
Shut up. Don't jinx me, you little shit. Man, his mouth gets really wide.
He's cute.
Yeah, look at his mouth.
Yeah.